And the red blood cells carry oxygen both to the scalp and to the follicles, okay? And that, of course, lends to healthier hair. Hey guys, welcome back. What's up to all my subbies? And what's going on, newbies? Checking me out for the very first time. Come on in, don't be shy. Come on in, sit down. Let's just talk just for a little bit, okay? I just wanted to come in here just really quickly and touch on a couple of different things. I know we've been talking about things, external things that can help us during our hair growth journey. You know, things like shampoos and conditioners and things that we can do, topical stuff. But I also wanted to touch upon some stuff as far as internal things that we need to be mindful of while we are on our hair journey, whether it's for health and or length, okay? Things we should be mindful of and to really pay attention to help us on the journey. And I wanted to talk about vitamins, okay? Different things. Of course, we already know that we want to get enough sleep. You know, sleep helps to replenish and recharge the body. So you make sure you want to get enough sleep every day. Okay, I know for some of us it's a little harder than others, but be mindful of that, making sure that you're getting your Z's, catching your Z's, okay? And of course, we want to stay on top of our water intake, okay? I'm pretty bad at that. I need to be taking and drinking more water. That helps us to stay hydrated, get that H2O in your body. That helps everything, okay? Your skin, which is the biggest organ of your body, as well as your other organs and hair and nails. It all falls under that same umbrella as far as overall health. I wanted to touch on some key vitamins because there are many. You want to overall maintain a healthy diet, okay? And some of the vitamins that I just want to sort of put the spotlight on for right now, I have 3. Vitamins B, A, and D, okay? The bad vitamins, not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with vitamin B. Okay, so B vitamins, they help with the production of red blood cells. And the red blood cells carry oxygen both to the scalp and to the follicles, okay? And that, of course, lends to healthier hair and helps to promote growth. And we already know that biotin, which is in the family of the vitamin B family, of which there are 8 family members. You find biotin in a lot of products that help to promote growth, especially when there's been a loss of hair. You find it in a lot of products that promote themselves as to replenish the loss of hair, okay? You find it in a lot of nail products as well, because we already know that hair and nails are both related as they both contain keratin. Okay, so specifically B12 can be found in a lot of different foods. Mainly seafoods, okay? Seafoods like oysters, mussels, and clams, they contain a lot of B12, okay? So they're very B12 rich. And as far as other foods that contain B vitamins, okay, you have whole grains such as barley, okay, and brown rice. We have almonds. We have leafy green vegetables such as spinach, and also broccoli. We can throw a little broccoli in there, okay? That's high in vitamin B, as well as certain fruits like avocado. So we want to be sure of our vitamin B intake and making sure that we get those nutrients into our bodies, okay? So that's one. Now the other one, because I'm focusing in on 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the second vitamin that I really want to talk about, okay, is vitamin A. Vitamin A, otherwise known as retinol, okay? It's very, very good for us in our skin. It helps to promote cell growth, and it helps to create an oily substance known as sebum, which is secreted by our skin, okay? Including the scalp. And that helps to moisturize our strands and follicles, okay? And we already know that moisture helps mitigate breakage with our hair, okay? So we love vitamin A. Our body loves vitamin A, and especially our hair, okay? So as far as vitamin A is concerned, we want to consume foods that are high in beta carotene, okay? Because beta carotene turns into vitamin A. Okay, foods that are high in it are sweet potatoes. Oh, I love sweet potatoes. Okay, carrots and kale. Okay, and another thing that's good or high in beta carotene, I've never had it, but cod liver oil, if you're so inclined. Okay, but moving right along, we want to focus in on that as part of our healthy regimen, internal regimen that we want to really incorporate in our overall regimen for our hair. Okay, so we got the B, we got the A. Okay, we're getting to the D. Okay, so let's get to the D. Vitamin D plays a huge part in stimulating new and old hair follicles, thus promoting hair growth. Okay, now vitamin D is somewhat of a misnomer. Vitamins are nutrients that are not naturally produced by the body. However, vitamin D is, therefore it's like it's a pro-hormone, okay, or a precursor to a hormone, okay? Well, we can naturally create it in our body, okay? And how do we do that? By the sun, okay? Just by letting the sun on in. Let the sun shine on in. So when the sun shines on us, that helps to promote and create vitamin D in our bodies. So with that being said, it's very good for our hair. And in fact, it's necessary for hair growth. Now, I'm not talking about staying out in the sun unprotected with no SPF, okay, and injuring ourselves or damaging our skin because of long-term exposure. A little bit goes a long way, okay? And those with darker skin, okay, brown skin and darker, it takes us a little longer to really absorb enough sun to turn it into vitamin D because of our built-in sun protection, because of the darkness of our skin. But about 10 to 15 minutes should be sufficient for most, and maybe about 20 minutes, and I'm talking about on your skin, exposed skin, okay? And just, you know, getting out, walking outside. I know a lot of us have been inside, but it's okay to go outside, get a little bit of sun, then you can come back in, okay? But basically, it's like a recharging. The sun sort of recharges our skin and our bodies. And, you know, a lot of us, we even feel good when we're exposed to it. So again, I'm talking about responsible exposure, okay? But letting you know that the sun triggers that in us, okay? And we can create vitamin D within ourselves, okay? Our skin does it as soon as it's triggered by the sun, which I think is amazing. But on top of that, it can be found in foods, which we already know. Vitamin D enriched foods like cereals. We already know that it's in a lot of dairy products. It can be found in a lot of fatty fish, such as salmon or tuna, found in eggs and poultry, as well as, okay, beef liver and other types of animal livers, if you're so inclined. So it can be found in a lot of different sources, but that's another key vitamin that we should really pay attention to as far as making sure that we're getting enough of. Okay. So those are 3 vitamins that I really wanted to touch upon. Of course, there are others, but those are the 3 key ones that I wanted to talk about. The B.A.D, B-A-D vitamins, not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good. Yes, we talk about the shampoos. Yes, we talk about the conditioners. Yes, we talk about our regimen and being on schedule and this and that, but we also have to take care of ourselves internally. All the things that are intangible, all the things that are not necessarily topical. We got to take care of the inside, okay? And when we take care of our bodies, our hair and our nails are included, okay? So our overall health. And those are the 3 vitamins that I wanted to touch on that promote healthy hair, okay? Vitamin B, vitamin A, and that good old vitamin D. Now, I also want to say that, of course, a lot of those vitamins can be found via food and diet. Now, outside of that, if you're looking to take a supplement, I just want to say, please consult your primary physician and or doctor, okay, before adding any type of supplement to your regimen already. Make sure you're getting it through the foods, and if you take a multivitamin, that should be okay, but anything extra as far as a supplement, specifically based on certain vitamins or nutrients, please make sure that you speak to a professional before adding that to your diet, because even though they are a good thing, too much of a good thing is a bad thing, okay? It can be a bad thing. And we just want everything to be balanced, okay? We want to keep everything going. We're still in this, okay? So we were in and out, okay? Talking about a couple different things. We want to get on our vitamin game too, and making sure that our diet definitely is conducive to our hair journey as far as the health and the growth. So I'm here for it. You here for it? I'm here for it. It all works in cahoots, okay? So thank you so much. Thanks for dialing in and showing up. And if you have any questions, just let me know down below, okay? Otherwise, I will be back and we will be talking. Same Dolce dial, same Dolce channel, okay? All right.